ready to rock a hairstyle that screams bold and edgy. Let's dive into creating the iconic skunk stripe hair. First, gather your supplies. You'll need a bleach kit with developer, toner, your chosen contrasting hair dye, gloves, a mixing bowl and application brush, hair clips, an old towel to protect your clothes, and some petroleum jelly. Next, section off the hair you want to turn into a skunk stripe. Usually, this is a front section, but get creative. Use clips to neatly isolate this section. Now, protect your skin. Apply a generous amount of petroleum jelly along your hairline and ears to prevent staining from the bleach and dye. In a well-ventilated area, mix the bleach and developer according to the instructions on your bleach kit. Always follow the product guidelines carefully. Carefully apply the bleach mixture to the sectioned off hair. Ensure every strand is thoroughly coated, working quickly and efficiently. Keep a close eye on your hair as the bleach processes, checking it every few minutes. You're aiming for a pale blonde shade, which is crucial for vibrant color payoff. Once your hair reaches the desired lightness, thoroughly wash out the bleach and apply toner to neutralize any yellow or orange tones. This will create a clean base for your color. Dry your hair completely and section it again. Now, apply your chosen contrasting hair dye, making sure to saturate every strand for even color. After the dye has processed according to the instructions, rinse it out with cool water, and there you have it, your very own skunk stripe hair. Enjoy your bold new look.